What if one day your face, your voice, your personality could work 24 hours a day without you? What if a company could own a digital version of you that never sleeps, never ages, never argues, and never asks for a raise? This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie. This is the rise of AI twins, and it might just change what it means to be human forever. So, what exactly is an AI twin? It's a digital clone of a real person, an incredibly sophisticated replica built using mountains of your personal data. We're talking about your videos, your voice recordings, every facial expression you've ever made, and even the subtle patterns of your personality. Artificial intelligence studies all of this, analyzing your behavior, your quirks, your unique way of speaking, and then it recreates you. Not physically, of course, but digitally. This AI twin can speak like you, move like you, and even respond to questions in a way that is almost indistinguishable from the real you. And right now, companies are pouring millions, even billions, into this technology. But why? The answer is simple and a little unsettling. Human identity has become the next big product. For businesses, the appeal is almost irresistible. Think about it. An AI doesn't get tired. It doesn't need breaks or vacations. It doesn't demand contracts, benefits, or a fair salary. It doesn't grow older. Its performance never wanes. An AI twin can appear in thousands of advertisements simultaneously all over the world. It can speak multiple languages instantly, without an accent. It can work 24/7 without a single complaint, generating an endless stream of content. For brands and corporations, this is the ultimate dream, a workforce that is infinitely scalable, completely controllable, and incredibly cheap. But for us, the humans they're based on, it's a lot more complicated. Because the moment your identity becomes a string of data, it also becomes something that can be controlled, manipulated, and owned by someone else. And this is where things start to get really serious. Let's consider the hidden dangers. What happens if your AI twin says something deeply controversial or offensive? What if it's used to promote a product that goes against everything you personally believe in? Or even worse, what if your digital clone is used for political propaganda, endorsing a candidate or an ideology you despise? Who is responsible then? Is it you, the original person? Or is it the company that owns the software and pulls the strings? The lines of accountability become incredibly blurred. Now, let's take it a step further. Imagine a future where AI twins continue to exist, to speak, to create, long after the real person has passed away. It's a form of digital immortality. But is that true freedom, a way to leave a lasting legacy? Or is it a digital prison, where your image and personality are trapped in a corporate server for eternity? Because once your essence becomes code, it can be copied, edited, and modified in ways you never would have approved of. It can be scaled infinitely, with or without your consent. Your digital ghost could be licensed out for commercials 100 years from now. You wouldn't be a person anymore, you'd be a perpetual asset. This might sound like a distant future, but the seeds are already being planted. Today, it's celebrities and influencers licensing their likenesses. But tomorrow, it could be doctors giving automated consultations, teachers delivering lessons to millions of students at once, or business leaders appearing in meetings around the clock. It could even be regular social media users, where your online persona is packaged and sold. Deepfake technology has already shown us how easy it is to manipulate video and audio. AI twins are the next logical and far more powerful evolution of that. We are heading towards a world where your digital version could be more active, more profitable, and ultimately, more influential than the real you. Are we building a future where our very identity is licensed out like a piece of software? Where our personality is monetized down to the last byte? Where being human, with all our flaws and limitations, becomes optional? Technology always comes with the promise of convenience and progress. But every great revolution has a cost, and this one touches the very core of who we are. The question is no longer can we create AI versions of ourselves. The technology is advancing at an exponential rate. The real, and much harder, question we need to ask ourselves is, should we? As we race to build these powerful digital duplicates, we have to stop and think. Are we creating tools to help us, or are we building our own replacements? This is AMIN TECHAI, exploring the future before it controls us. Thanks for watching, and if you found this thought-provoking, Make sure to subscribe for more deep dives into the technology that's shaping our world.